Okay, so while Kuya is finishing his breakfast, so magkakaroon muna tayo ng konting Q&A regarding sa tour. So as you know guys, or maybe some of you know already that this is our second time in Taiwan. So the first time we went here 2019, as in talagang few months prior pandemic. We landed at Kaohsiung, and then from Kaohsiung we took the high-speed train from Kaohsiung to Taipei. Tapos nag-hotel kami dito sa Taipei, and then we just tour around the city. Hindi talaga kami lumabas ng Taipei city. So it was also fun kasi in fairness naman sa Kaohsiung talaga, it's so peaceful as well. Walang masyadong sasakyan. Parang city siya, but it looks like parang kaka-develop lang din na city. And then doon talaga yung maraming mga factories, gano'n, a lot of businesses as well there, no, mga manufacturing companies. So yun, medyo naging familiar sa akin yung Kaohsiung kasi prior to being a tourist in Taiwan, no, nakailang beses na rin ako pumunta talaga ng Taiwan for business trips. So familiar sa akin yung Kaohsiung, and talagang, you know, riding the high-speed train for me was also one of the best experiences I had in going to Taiwan. So yun nga, yun yung first time namin as family going here, no. Nag-land kami ng Kaohsiung, and then nag-exit din kami ng Kaohsiung. So the second time, which is this Christmas season nga of 2023, is we landed at Taipei, and hopefully we will be departing from Taipei as well. Okay. So this time, there are a lot of new experiences, di ba Kuya? So nag-north kami, North Coast tour kami for a day. So that was December 26. So 6 yung mga tourist destination na kasama dun sa tour na yon. So the first stop was the beautiful rock formation. That's the Nanya Rock Formation, no? Tapos second is the Golden Waterfalls. The third one was in Jufeng. So ang ganda dun kasi para siyang, yeah, it's also a tourist destination, no? There are a lot of boutiques, no? Ang daming mga Taiwanese delicacies doon, and it overlooking, para ka nasa Tagaytay o nasa Antipolo, kita mo yung buong Taiwan. Nasa tuktok siya ng bundok. There are also old restaurants there. Mga daddy. Hindi, kasi hindi pa nga na-start yung interview ko kay Kuya. This is just my opening statement. So that was the third one. And then the fourth one was another waterfalls. Right, Kuya? Tapos parang nag-pass by kami sa isang hanging bridge. So that was also an excellent experience as well. And then the fifth one was... Where's the fifth one, Kuya? Kasi the sixth one was the lantern, diba?
Huh?
Oo nga. Where is the fifth one?
Yung parang waterfalls ulit.
That was the bridge, diba? The hanging bridge. Okay. And then, yun nga, the sixth one for me was the best experience of that one-day tour. Kasi nakapagpalipad kami ng aming lantern, wherein yun, talagang nakakatawa pa yung experience.
Hi guys.
Nakakatawa yung experience na yun kasi talagang kinapos kami ng pera ng Taiwanese dollar kasi we withdrawn cash in the Philippines, peso yun. And then unfortunately 15K lang yung napapapalitan namin. So nangyari is, nahirapan kami maghanap talaga ng money exchange dito sa Taiwan. We also failed to have that done at the airport kasi madaling araw na kaming dumating. However, nagawa ng paraan kasi may mga stores kasi na tumatanggap ng peso. So, bumili lang kami ng mga kakanin, and then yung sukli nun, pinasuklian natin ng Taiwanese dollar. So, nakabili kami ng lantern. So, the lantern costs 250 Taiwanese dollar. So, nagawa naman siya ng paraan. So, in Philippine peso, that's roughly 500 pesos. 500 plus pesos. Kasi ita times 2 mo siya. 2 point something. So, yun. Nakapagpalipad naman kami ng lantern. So, masaya siya. Di ba, Daddy, masaya naman yung lantern? Yun yung best experience mo. Ikaw, Kuya? Yun yung best experience mo. Ikaw, ate?
Yes. Sulit yung one day tour.
Oo. Tapos, yung rent namin ng van was 6,500 Taiwanese dollars. So, that's basically around 13K in Philippine peso. So, okay na rin siya kasi medyo, ano talaga din naman, mahal yung cost of living dito. The fuel is also expensive. So, okay na rin yung ano na yun. So, pinick up kami sa hotel mga almost 9 AM. Tapos, nakabalik kami mga 5. So, binaba kami sa may Simendeng. So, yung bilihan ng napakasarap na pakatawa, Kuya. Bilihan ng boba milk tea. So, nakatikim naman sila. Was it too sweet? Yun lang. So, dalawa lang yung pinabili ko kasi sobrang tamis noon. So, hindi rin siya magandang. Malagang makatikim. Okay. So, that was until the day 2. Day 3, yesterday, pumunta naman kami sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Maganda rin na experience kasi may isang temple doon na hindi namin napuntahan. So, nung una, tapos pinuntahan na namin siya this time. After that, we went to the Red House and then konting shopping sa Nike. Of course, yung kicks natin, hindi pwedeng makalimutan yan. Running shoes. And then, lastly, no, ang bongga din talaga for day 3 was the Christmas Village experience. Yun talaga. Sa day 3 yun ang sa tingin kong pinakamaganda experience. Ang ganda dun sa area na yun. Ang dami talagang mga lights na as in mapapawaw ka. So I have a separate video no na just really showing you around the Christmas Village in Taipei City Hall. So meron sila niyan every Christmas season. Okay, so that sums up to day 3. So day 4 today. So, ito po yung a day before our flight back to Manila. May mga konting pupuntahan kami today, no? Last hirit ng pagbili ng pasalubong sa, is it Carrefour? Whatever, 4. Tapos, may museum din kaming dadaanan sana and hopefully mag-pass by lang kami sa Taipei Zoo para makapagpa-picture sa labas. No need to get inside kasi nakapasok na kami dyan noong 2019. Okay, so Kuya naman, this is Kuya's turn to get interviewed bago po natin tapusin ang ating video. So Kuya, of course, we went around Taipei and even outside Taipei. So, ano yung pinaka-overall experience mo on our second trip here in Taiwan? Okay, sige, si MG muna. Can you sit beside Kuya? I'm just getting your feedback in terms of your overall experience the second time around in Taiwan. Okay, MJ? So how can you describe your overall experience here in Taiwan the second time around?
Amazing.
It's amazing, but actually, the food at McDonald's wasn't, the sauce wasn't even that like sarap.
Okay, so apart from the food, like the places that we went around, so how can you say?
We went to like Nike and H&M.
Parang puro shopping yan, baby. So dami naman ang pinuntahan natin. Bakit yung sa shopping?
Nike and H&M.
But baby, you need to highlight the tourist destinations, not the shopping. So what can you say about?
I don't know because I'm not even that smart enough.
You're smart enough, darling. Okay, sige si Kuya na. So, the tour experience and the sightseeing, what can you say about it, boys? Kuya,
Amazing.
can you please tell me more about it? For sure, your teacher, when you go back to school, your teacher will ask you to write an essay about your trip. So, As early as now, both of you should prepare for that. Come on, boys. Sige, si Daddy naman, Daddy. Can you give me 30 seconds feedback about your Taiwan experience the second time around? Kasi nakakapagod din. Ako lang lagi nagsasalita sa vlog na to. Pagod din. 3. Nakapi-kapi lang siya. But, sige na, Daddy. Tell me about your experience. Ayun siya, naka-North Face.
Taiwan is good the second time around.
Why do you say so?
The weather, the peacefulness, the culture of the people, the food, the places. Overall, it's like Japan, but
Bakit? Nakapunta ka naman Japan.
no, based on different vlogs. It's like Japan, but much cheaper.
Black Daddy.
Yeah, much cheaper than Japan.
Okay, so Daddy enjoyed here in Taiwan. Okay, ate naman. So this is ate's first time in Taiwan. Anong masasabi mo, ate?
Oh my God, so amazing. First is about the transportation. It's very easy to navigate.
No.
Kasi para siyang connecting lang.
Walang ligaw-ligaw na sa
Walang-
MRT.
Walang ligaw-ligaw. And then second is the North Coast tour since
Also,
it was our first time.
Also, Mommy,
me and
my second
Danica.
request at Taiwan
Me and
is
Danica.
Yan si ate, oh. Seryoso mas ate.
Oh my God, nag-research ako.
O yun, si ate nag-research ng mga pupuntahan na
Yeah. Overall, it's 100% amazing.
Nox. Ikaw, te, unsay mo experience dire, te? Bisaya ate, kaya arong lahi-lahi, baga tong dialogue ba? Nay nag-English, na nag-Bisaya, na nag-Tagalog. Nga na ba? Aron, kuan ba? Mekos-mekos ba?
Pero, hi guys.
Unsay experience ni mo, te, dire?
Kuan, nindot siya weather thing. Pero yung uwan, dito gabi ikaw, nawag yung kaayo. Pero nindot mga, napoy mga concern.
O di ba, nandun taga itong video kay mekos-mekos dun eh.
Nindot og kuan. Nindot po yung mga pagkaon. Then, lami. Lami kayo.
Lumik kayo. Okay. So, may recommend yun ni mo, te, sa uban nga mga rin sa Taiwan.
Oo, sa Taiwan. Then, sa lights gabi, na Norway, may inindot kayo. Ay, sabi na.
Eh, saba daddy.
Okay na, nakalimutan noon ko doon. Last na nato, okay?
Ugma pa.
Oh, last na to ugma. Last na mo ugma. Oh my gosh.
See you, Philippines.
Mao dyan.
Okay,
See you,
thanks. Dali na, ikaw na lang walang review. Oh, kuya, amazing daw. Yun lang, guys. So, sana, bibigyan pa tayo ng more blessings ni God para makapasyal sa ibang countries next year. No, so, bye-bye, everyone.